everyone. It's Crypto Chill Bear. It's October 21st of 2022. Well, let's get right into the crypto markets. It's been a pretty volatile week, if I would say. So, if you look at the 1 day chart, let's just start top level. So, again, starting the monthly chart, let's see where things are going. So, one thing that I noticed, right, call me crazy, but if you look at how we are currently right now on October 21st. We got this bar right here that signifies the change of momentum from negative to positive. And if you look at basically the last time we were in a bear market, everyone's saying we're gonna drop, right? But this kept continuing into red, right? But once it turned positive, it was basically the end of the bear market. If you look at here, right? And this was January 2019. And no one's talking about this, which is crazy. So we're probably here over here, right? We're basically here, right? So if you see that shift in momentum, and if you look at where we're at in terms of indicators, we're pretty much the same, in terms of, if you look at the MACD, we might need another bar or two to maybe be at the same in terms of the MACD. But look at stock RSI, we're about the same level. And the craziest part that in the RSI we're actually even more oversold, right? So personally, I think we're actually more undervalued than when we're at 3,320. And I remember I bought a lot of Bitcoin back then, and depending upon the volatility, I think we're right there. And sure, we might dip to 17.5, but I honestly do not see a big dip to 11. It just does not make any sense. And if it does, well, I would own up to it. But if you see here, I would see maybe 13, 14,000. But if you look at the same momentum, this is way worse than how it was back in 2018, 2019 in terms of the crash, right? So we're all obviously undersold, right? Oversold. So if you ask me, why, if we were thinking about buying Bitcoin and it was going up here, right? So from 8,000 to 60,000, why would you not buy it now over here? We're just one of the most oversold levels ever. And I know I'm probably gonna regret for now buying a lot more, but to be honest, I redeployed a lot of capital going from 24 to 17. And so I'm now reserving that last kind of capital in case we do dip further. But depending on the next couple weeks, I might have to just deploy. And then let's look at Ethereum, right? Ethereum, kind of the same thing, right? If you craziest part is that Ethereum, let me see. If you look at Ethereum, this is 20, same thing. 20, actually Ethereum took a little bit long. Oh no, same thing. January 2019, yep. And this actually begs the questions of Link. Let's see what Link did. Dang it, we don't have enough historical. No. This is Coinbase. Maybe if I do Link. If I do Link Binance, it's the dang it, not even Binance has enough info. Doesn't make any sense. Let's see. Bitfinex, maybe Bitfinex has more historical. Dang it. Okay, well, you can't really compare to Link, which kind of pisses me off. But, with Ethereum, same thing. Ethereum 2019, 2018, we're talking about $104. Holy shit. Yeah, I didn't buy some back then. This is 2019. I remember, I was opening up a restaurant at the time, and, I was deploying all my capital there. But let's see. $100 to peak of 400. So that means we're about to do the same thing. So probably like a 4x. Not even 4x, probably like a 2x. So it means like we're actually beginning the bull run again, right? We're pretty much at 2019, how we were in 2019 January, which kind of sucks. But you know, it's okay. Let's see. Why is Blue Jeans? Okay, so yeah, yeah. We're if you wanted like to actually think about this, we're in 2019, January 2019. Ethereum was at $100. That was I remember this actually made a crap ton of money then this time. It was when Ethereum went for $100 to $400. We went back down to $100 before we went to that bull run, which is pretty crazy. So yeah, maybe we go. Let's see. Here we go. Here we might go up to 3,100. We go back down, and we go back up. All-time highs. Let's say 12 to 15,000. To be honest, this time I'm only expecting a 10x. It's absurd how much last time we went up Ethereum. I remember buying at 150, went up to 5,000. That's crazy. That's a 40, like almost 40x. Everything went up at least 40x. So this time I'm cool with a 10, 20x. Because after that, I'm done with crypto. I'm not done forever, but I feel I'm gonna definitely take profits. This is my third bull run, and I haven't really taken any profits at all. So, I've learned the most. I just didn't need the money. I have two jobs that pay really well, and I'm just like, where am I going to put the money? You know? So, let's look at Link. Link kind of surprised me today, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. Holy crap, it looks really good. And it dipped down. I was sleeping, 6.43. I was looking to buy Link at like 6.43, 6.5. It's a 6.74. Not a major difference, but let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minute looks really good. Dang it, I missed it. It went back down to 6.7. Let's see, 45 minute. It's kind of oversold. I'll wait. I would like to wait here until it gets oversold. That would have been a 6.6. It's 10 cents. Not too much, but chainlink 5 day. Not looking so strong. I'm just looking for long term holds here. Not really to go up and down. If I wanted to trade on the 12-hour, this would be a good time, right? Buy it here, sell when it's oversold. Basically, I would have sold here at 7.4, bought it back down here. It's crazy. This like mechanism has been working extremely well, especially on the 2 day. You would have you sold here, would have been at 8.64. Bought when it was oversold. 6, sold again around here. 8.4. Bought when it was undersold, which would start buying down. So if you want to be in the markets, I would do this, right? Buy right now, basically. 6.74 looks pretty good. And then just wait until it gets oversold, right? Or even on the 5 hour. 5 hours, it's a little bit too choppy. But yeah, it looks pretty good in the short term. Link. If you guys want me to comment any other charts, let me know. AVAX was interesting. It already went up $1 from where it was yesterday. AVAX kind of like Link. Look at the 12-hour. Boom. Let's see. You would have sold here. 6.2. Bought right now. Or bought yesterday. Yesterday was pretty good. But I don't know. I'm just waiting, to be honest, end of October to see if there's any more volatility. Because if you see Bitcoin was at 18.6 yesterday. Holy shit. I did not see that. 18.6, how? Yeah, it went up to 18.6. That's exactly what everyone was targeting. Oh my god. Yep, we're going up. We are going up, people. So, the question is, do you buy now? Do you wait? The perfect time was yesterday, right? Basically, bought yesterday, held, So you want a short-term and a long-term play. I'm looking for it to be a little bit more aggressive. So I'm probably gonna have to buy Chainlink or AVAX. I already have a lot of AVAX. I want to just stack my Chainlink, to be honest. AVAX is cool, but Chainlink is king. But yeah, I don't want to keep this too long. I'll keep updating you guys. But yeah, short-term bullish. Long-term is still kind of crazy. Look at the 2 day, pretty bullish. I think we're still gonna probably make one last run before maybe we dip down. Because the reason I don't want to deploy too much capital, because to be honest, the 1 week looks kind of weak in both Chainlink, Ethereum, Bitcoin, right? But shorter term, you can make some pretty good profits. So yeah, that's enough about me. Thank you. See ya. Peace.